Hello, repair guys, Costa Electronics from Switzerland. I want to share with you something. This is a headlight from a 2007 Porsche Cayenne, and the customer complaint was flickering light, warning messages on the dash, blowing fuses, and so on. Check these wires out. The insulation is breaked apart and completely gone. So this is because inside here it's getting very hot and these wires are not made for that high temperatures. Bad construction from the manufacturer, sorry, but it is. I want to show you how you can remove this connector to replace all the wires, what I'm doing now. And I was fighting for hours and getting nervous, and it was a real pain in the ass job. So, first you have to remove the main beam, the xenon beam, which goes in here. I have already removed it. It's this here. Sorry for my mess, it is what it is. Then you have to work from behind. At the best, use a small mirror like this here, that you can see what you are doing. It's a nice fingering job, by the way. Basically, you have to push on these notches here on each side, in each corner of this connector. In the same time, push it from behind to you, and it should snap out. Check the wires here. Oh my gosh. So then you can replace all the wires. I use special wires, high temperature, which should last longer than the car. So that's it. I hope I can help you with this video if you run in the same trouble like me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.